2025 Beachwear Revolution. Explosive styles and bold colors defining American summer fashion. Summer 2025 is here, and it brings a wave of breathtaking beachwear trends that celebrate individuality, confidence, and vibrant self-expression. This year's styles are a dynamic fusion of nostalgic revivals, innovative designs, and sun-safe functionality. From the shores of California to the beaches of Florida, American women are embracing a diverse array of swimwear and cover-ups that cater to every body type and personal aesthetic. Let's dive into the exciting world of beachwear, where fashion meets function in the most stunning ways. Dynamic trends dominating the sands. Seaside embellishments. Embellished swimwear is the undisputed star of the season. Think beaded straps, rosettes, and dramatic, fluffy details that transform basic bikinis into bespoke statement pieces. These exquisite additions, allow every woman to express her unique personality through her beach look. Fashion consultant Sarah Walker praises beaded straps as unexpected details that instantly elevate any swimsuit's charm. Polka dots and legacy prints. Polka dots make a major comeback this summer, blending retro charm with contemporary silhouettes. This trend is amplified by the rise of legacy prints like Pucci patterns and Burberry checks, which embody a vibrant, wanderlust-filled vibe. As fashion model Wendy Frita notes, everyone is tired of the sad beige aesthetic, and these playful patterns offer a refreshing alternative. Animal prints. Wild and free. Move over leopard. This summer introduces a whole zoo of animal-inspired designs. Giraffe, Dalmatian, cow, deer, zebra, and snakeskin prints are gaining traction, offering a bold and untamed aesthetic. These prints are perfect for those who want to make a fierce statement on the beach. Sporty chic and fuller coverage. The influence of athletic wear continues with sleek one-pieces, halter necks, and Speedo-inspired designs. Meanwhile, fuller coverage options like tankinis, board shorts, and swim shirts are rising in popularity. These styles prioritize sun protection and practicality without sacrificing style. As Laura Kirk de Valencia highlights, swim shirts are not just beach items anymore. They effortlessly transition from pool to dinner. Crochet and sheer layers. Crochet cover-ups and sheer fabrics like mesh and lace add a bohemian touch to beachwear. These pieces are perfect for throwing over a swimsuit, providing a chic and effortless cover-up option. Brands like Away That Day report that crochet is a customer favorite for its versatility and breathability.